Today we're going to draw our axolotl sipping bubble tea. First, get your black pen and draw the arms here, curved thumb there, and another curved thumb here. Then draw the bottle that he's drinking. Draw the waves and then these circles. And then draw this and draw here for the light and draw the straw and do these curves down like that. Afterwards, draw the axolotl smile here and its eyes there, and then draw his cheeks there and these three lines. And then draw his head and draw the axolotls, these thingies. Then draw the body of the axolotl. Then draw his legs. And then draw his tail, not really long. And then do the same thing else. Well done, you finished the sketch. Get your dark purple and then colour in, but don't colour in these thingies. Only colour in these bits, and then keep on colouring in everything else. After you're finished, get your light purple and colour in these things, the thingies. And also on the outside of the tail. After you're done, get your pink and colour in the bubble tea for his drink. And then get your red and colour in the straw. Well done, you finished it, and if you want to, you can write your name here. And up here you can write axolotl. And then you can draw a star here. I'm going to colour it in with purple because my axolotl is purple. Well done, you finished your axolotl. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!